Let's dive into the intriguing world of pineapple production, where nature's sweetness meets industrial precision. It's a journey where careful selection and modern farming techniques come together to create something truly delicious. So, how do they do it? The journey starts with selecting the ideal pineapples. Experts meticulously examine various factors, such as size, shape, and sweetness, to ensure only the highest quality fruits make it to the factory. Uniformity and ripeness are key criteria, as they directly influence the final product's taste and texture. By choosing the best pineapples, we lay a strong foundation for the entire production process. This careful selection process involves both visual inspection and sometimes even taste testing, ensuring that each pineapple meets the strict standards set by the factory. The selected pineapples are tagged and prepared for planting, marking the beginning of their journey from farm to table. Once the perfect pineapple varieties are chosen, the planting process begins. Pineapples are typically propagated using the crowns of mature fruit, which are carefully placed in well-prepared soil. The fields are arranged in neat rows, allowing for efficient growth and easy access for farm workers. This stage requires a lot of patience and precision, as it takes about 18-24 months for a pineapple plant to mature and produce fruit. Farmers monitor the plants closely during this period, ensuring they receive the necessary nutrients and care to grow strong and healthy. Regular checks are conducted to assess plant health and growth progress, making adjustments as needed to optimize conditions. Proper irrigation and fertilization play a key role in the healthy growth of pineapple plants. Pineapples require regular watering, especially during the early stages of growth. Farmers use drip irrigation systems to deliver water directly to the roots, ensuring efficient use of water resources. Fertilizers rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium are applied to promote healthy foliage and fruit development. These nutrients are vital for the plant's overall health and productivity. By carefully managing irrigation and fertilization, farmers ensure that the pineapple plants receive everything they need to thrive and produce high-quality fruit. Keeping the pineapple plants free from pests is important for a successful harvest. Farmers use integrated pest management techniques, employing both biological and chemical methods to control pests. Natural predators like ladybugs and lacewings are introduced to keep harmful insects in check. When necessary, targeted pesticides are used to protect the plants without harming beneficial organisms. This balanced approach helps maintain healthy plants and reduces the risk of crop loss. Regular monitoring and quick responses to pest issues are essential in maintaining the health of the pineapple crops. This proactive approach ensures that the plants remain robust and productive throughout the growing season. To ensure a steady supply of pineapples, farmers induce flowering. This is typically done by applying a solution of ethylene, a natural plant hormone, to the plants. The ethylene triggers the flowering process, causing the plants to produce fruit at the same time. This method allows for efficient planting and harvesting, ensuring that the fruits are ready for the factory at the right time. Synchronizing flowering helps streamline the harvesting process and ensures a consistent supply of ripe pineapples. By carefully timing this stage, farmers can optimize the production schedule and meet market demands more effectively. As the flowers develop into fruit, the pineapples start to take shape. This phase is crucial for developing the fruit's size, sweetness, and juiciness. Farmers monitor the growth closely, ensuring the plants receive adequate nutrients and water. The pineapples are carefully protected from extreme weather conditions, which can affect their quality. This period of growth determines the final characteristics of the fruit, making it a key part of the production process. By providing optimal care during this stage, farmers help the pineapples reach their full potential, resulting in delicious, high-quality fruit ready for harvest. Timing the harvest is a delicate process. Pineapples must be picked at the peak of ripeness to ensure the best flavor and texture. Farmers rely on their experience and knowledge, along with modern tools to determine the perfect time to harvest. They look for signs such as color change and sugar content. Harvesting too early or too late can affect the fruit's quality, making this step critical for a successful production run. By carefully timing the harvest, farmers ensure that the pineapples are at their best when they reach the consumers. This attention to detail helps maintain the high standards expected from top-quality pineapples. The harvesting of pineapples is a meticulous process done entirely by hand. Workers move through the fields, carefully selecting ripe fruits and cutting them from the plants. This method allows for the inspection of each pineapple, ensuring only the best quality fruit is picked. By hand picking, workers can assess the ripeness and condition of each pineapple, selecting only those that meet the highest standards. Hand picking minimizes damage to both the fruit and the plants, preserving their health for future harvests. This careful approach ensures that the pineapples are handled gently, reducing the risk of bruising or other damage that could affect their quality. The careful handling of each fruit during this stage is crucial for maintaining the integrity and freshness of the pineapples as they are prepared for transport to the factory. The workers' expertise and attention to detail during hand-picking directly contribute to the overall quality of the final product. Each pineapple is chosen for its optimal ripeness and appearance, ensuring that only the best fruit moves on to the next stages of processing. This careful selection process is essential for maintaining the high standards expected by consumers and helps ensure that the pineapples remain in top condition throughout their journey from the field to the factory. Once harvested, the pineapples are quickly transported to the factory to ensure freshness. They are loaded onto trucks and taken to the processing facility, where the next stages of production begin. This swift transition from farm to factory helps maintain the pineapple's quality and flavor, ensuring they are in the best condition for processing. The journey from farm to factory is carefully managed to minimize delays and preserve the freshness of the fruit. This efficient transportation process is essential for delivering high-quality pineapples to the factory for further processing. Upon arrival at the factory, the pineapples undergo a thorough cleaning process. They are washed to remove dirt, pesticides, and any other contaminants. This step is essential to ensure the fruit is safe for consumption. The pineapples are then inspected again to ensure only the best quality fruit moves on to the next stage. Clean pineapples set the stage for high-quality end products. The cleaning process is designed to be both effective and gentle, preserving the integrity of the fruit while ensuring it meets all safety standards. After cleaning, the pineapples are sorted based on size and quality. This step ensures uniformity in the final product, whether the pineapples are destined for fresh sale, juicing, or canning. Sorting is done using advanced machinery that can quickly and accurately categorize the fruit. This meticulous process ensures consistency and high standards in the final products. By sorting the pineapples effectively, the factory can deliver products that meet consumer expectations for appearance and quality. This attention to detail in sorting helps maintain the reputation of the brand. The next step in pineapple processing is peeling and cutting the fruit. Specialized machines efficiently remove the tough outer skin and core, leaving only the sweet, juicy flesh. This automated process ensures consistency and precision, which is essential for maintaining quality standards. Once the pineapples are peeled, they are cut into various shapes and sizes according to their intended use. Some pineapples are sliced into rings, perfect for grilling or topping desserts. Others are diced into chunks, ideal for fruit salads and snacking. Additionally, some pineapples are crushed to make juice or use in purees. This precise cutting process ensures uniformity, which is important for both presentation and further processing. The cutting machines are designed to maximize the yield from each pineapple, minimizing waste. By carefully removing only the inedible parts, these machines ensure that the maximum amount of fruit is available for use. This efficiency is important not only for reducing waste, but also for maximizing the production output. ensuring that as much of the pineapple as possible is utilized. After cutting, the pineapple pieces are inspected to ensure they meet the required standards for size and quality. Any pieces that do not meet these standards are removed and either reprocessed or used in products where appearance is less critical, such as in juice or puree. This step ensures that only the best quality pineapple pieces move on to the next stage of production. By using advanced machinery for peeling and cutting, the factory can handle large volumes of pineapples quickly and efficiently, ensuring that the fruit retains its freshness and quality throughout the process. This stage is crucial in preparing the pineapples for their final forms, whether they will be canned, juiced, or packaged fresh for consumers. For pineapples destined to become juice or canned products, the next step is juicing and canning. The fruit is pressed to extract the juice, which is then filtered and pasteurized to ensure it is safe to drink. For canned products, the pineapple pieces are placed into cans along with syrup or juice, then sealed and sterilized. This process preserves the fruit, allowing it to be enjoyed long after it is harvested. Juicing and canning extend the shelf life of the pineapples, making them available to consumers year-round. Throughout the production process, rigorous quality control measures are in place to ensure that only the best pineapples reach the consumers. Quality control starts right from the moment the pineapples arrive at the factory. Each batch is subjected to thorough inspections to assess their initial quality. This includes checking for visible signs of damage, ripeness, and overall appearance. As the pineapples move through the processing stages, samples are regularly taken to test for sweetness, acidity, and safety. These tests are crucial for maintaining the desired flavor profile and nutritional content. Advanced equipment and experienced technicians work together to analyze these samples, ensuring that the pineapples meet the stringent standards set by the factory. Any fruit that does not meet these high standards is immediately removed from the production line. This step is vital in preventing subpar products from reaching the next stages of processing. The rejected pineapples are either used for other purposes, such as animal feed or compost, ensuring minimal waste, or they are further inspected to see if they can be used in a different form. Quality control doesn't stop at testing the fruit itself. The equipment and machinery used in the production process are also regularly inspected and maintained to ensure they are operating efficiently and safely. This includes checking the cleanliness and hygiene of the machines, as well as ensuring they are functioning correctly to avoid any potential contamination or defects in the final product. In addition to the physical and chemical tests, sensory evaluations are conducted. Experienced tasters sample the pineapples to ensure they meet the expected taste and texture standards. This human element of quality control is essential in maintaining the traditional flavors that consumers expect. By maintaining these rigorous quality control measures, the factory ensures that every product that reaches the consumer is of the highest quality, safe, and delicious. This ongoing process helps build and maintain the trust of consumers, assuring them that they are getting a consistently high-quality product. Quality control is, therefore, a cornerstone of the entire pineapple production process, from the moment the fruit arrives at the factory until it is packaged and ready for distribution. Once the pineapples have been processed and passed quality control, they are packaged for distribution. The packaging is designed to protect the fruit and maintain its freshness during transport. For fresh pineapples, this may involve wrapping and boxing the fruit. For canned and juiced products, the packaging ensures the products remain sealed and preserved. This careful packaging is key to delivering high-quality products to consumers. The packaging process is streamlined to ensure efficiency while maintaining the integrity of the product. Proper packaging also helps in extending the shelf life of the products, making them convenient for consumers. Maintaining freshness is a top priority. For fresh pineapples, refrigeration is used to slow down the ripening process and extend shelf life. For canned and juiced products, sealing and sterilization help preserve the fruit's natural flavor and nutrients. These methods ensure that the pineapples reach consumers in the best possible condition, ready to be enjoyed. By prioritizing freshness, the factory ensures that the pineapples retain their delicious taste and nutritional value. This commitment to freshness is a key aspect of delivering high-quality products to the market. Finally, the pineapples are distributed to stores and markets, ensuring they reach consumers who will enjoy the fruits of this meticulous process. Whether eaten fresh, juiced, or canned, these pineapples bring a taste of the tropics to tables around the world. The journey from farm to table is complete, ensuring a high-quality product for all to enjoy. The distribution process is carefully designed to be efficient and reliable. The pineapples are packed securely and transported swiftly to maintain their freshness and quality. Advanced logistics ensure that the fruit arrives in perfect condition, preserving the flavors and nutrients that make pineapples so delightful. Retailers receive the pineapples and display them prominently, highlighting their freshness and appealing qualities. Consumers can purchase pineapples with confidence, knowing they are getting a product that has been carefully grown, harvested, and processed to the highest standards. By reaching the consumer in top quality, the factory completes the cycle of delivering nature's sweetness to homes everywhere. Whether it's a fresh pineapple on the kitchen counter, a can of pineapple chunks in the pantry, or a bottle of pineapple juice in the fridge, each product represents the culmination of a carefully managed process. This final step brings the joy of delicious, nutritious pineapples to people around the globe, fulfilling the promise of quality and taste from farm to table. So there you have it, the fascinating journey from selecting perfect pineapples to delivering fresh, juicy fruit to consumers. If you want to explore more exciting stories and innovative ways in beverage and food production, watch our next video.